How to send a one-time view photo on Instagram on Android. This tutorial shows you how to send photos that disappear after being viewed once, and fix it if the option isn't showing up. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on the message icon at the bottom of the screen to open your DMs. From there, open the chat you want to send the one-time photo to. At this point, tap on the camera icon at the bottom right of the chat to open your photos. In the next step, select the photo you want to send. From there, let me show you. Once the photo is selected, look for the view icon at the bottom of the screen, and then tap on View Once. Following this, tap on Send to deliver the photo to the recipient. Once done, the recipient can open and view the photo only once. After that, it will disappear permanently and cannot be reopened permanently. From here, if the one-time view icon isn't showing up, make sure your Instagram app is fully updated. Open the Play Store, search for Instagram, and tap Update if one is available. Once updated, reopen Instagram and try sending the photo again. The one-time view option should now appear. Here's an important note. While one-time view prevents the photo from being reopened, Instagram will notify you if the recipient takes a screenshot. So you'll always know if someone has captured your photo. And that's it. If this guide helped you send a one-time view photo on Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.